Everything you type into ChatGPT is stored, reviewed, and potentially used to train future models. Your code, your ideas, your secrets.
Recently, a Samsung engineer accidentally leaked proprietary code to ChatGPT. He got fired. The code is now in OpenAI's training data forever.
So I unplugged completely. No internet, no API key, no monthly fee. This is Gemma 4, Google's open source model. You can install it on your local machine. It's mainly in 5 sizes. The E2B and E4B works on your phone or anything with 4 GB of RAM. Gemma 4 12B is designed to bring high-performance multimodal intelligence directly to your laptop with the size of 8 GB of RAM. The 26B, it has 26 billion parameters, works on 16 GB of RAM. And finally, the 31B Dense, best output, need a solid machine. Step 1. Install Ollama. 1 command. Wait for 30 seconds. Once it's installed, you will see a launch screen with the third-party integration like OpenClaw, CloudCode, Codex, OpenCode. Now verify the installation, and we can see the version loaded. Ollama list currently shows empty. No models downloaded yet. Step 2. Pull the model. This downloads the brain. It's about 8 GB. Go grab coffee. Done. Now run it. See this? No browser, no login, just a prompt in my terminal, and 0 internet. The response streams in. It's not GPT 5.6, but it's coherent, accurate, and completely private. But can it code? Let's find out. It's thinking, checking prerequisites, writing steps. That's clean. No hallucinated libraries, no broken syntax, and it ran locally. No data left my machine. Let's be honest, is it as fast as ChatGPT? No. But privacy? ChatGPT, your data leaves your device. Step 3, make it pretty. I'm installing WebUI. It's like ChatGPT's interface, but it lives on your computer. Look at this. Chat history, markdown rendering, even a dark mode, and it's all local. Who is this actually for? 3 people. 1, developers who don't want their proprietary code in someone else's training data. 2, journalists, lawyers, anyone handling sensitive information. 3, people who just hate subscriptions. Now, the real flex, vision. I can show it images without uploading them to anyone's server. It described correctly the central text, the theme, background, everything is right. Here's every command you need. Screenshot this now. If this helped, hit like. Subscribe for more AI tutorials that actually work.